Hello, this is Takizad right back here again, and this is also an MLH a local hack day submission where I have to demo a thing that I made. So today we're going to demo the Flask chess engine that we made. So here you go. You can find it out on a dev post, a beta zero play. Okay, so you can go to the GitHub link, which is in the try it out section, and then you can clone it. And then once you clone it, uh, and then there's this, you'll have the beta zero. You'll have the beta zero executable, which you have to put it in your path, and that should be it, and you will be ready to go. And also, there is a requirements.txt that you also have to install. I forgot about that. So for Python, it's pip3 install -r requirements.txt. So okay, let's continue on. Now I'm going to show you a demo of the working of the project. So if you can see my screen here, I'll just share it. Yeah, so now you can see the terminal, right? I'll just clear it. So once you have the GitHub repository cloned, you navigate into it, and then you'll select the beta zero play. You'll navigate into the beta zero play, and then there is this flask app.py which you have to run using Python or Python 3. Uh, okay, so now the Flask app should be ready, and it shows that it would be deployed at this address. I'll just click it. Wait, I cannot. Okay, right click and open link, and then yeah, so here it opens. There's a chessboard and it says play against beta zero. I can fix the depth of the engine. It is currently till 5 only, and then I can play a game with it, and the game moves will show here. So let's try to beat it at depth 1. um, let's play, let's take the whole center. Oh, not, let's play this. Okay, he's going for it. It's protected, and we can do this. This would be not a very good engine because it's running just at depth 1. um, and then I can go here, attack it, then I'll go here, and it's still playing at a decent level as far as I can see. Okay, if I take this, so the move that was played was knight captures d4. He captured a pawn. Okay, we can, okay, so we can just move this queen. Okay, he just sacrifices his queen. Wait, we cannot capture it because it is a check, obviously, yeah. And now I'm most probably losing. Yeah, see, I'm losing to an engine of depth 1. Wow. Anything, everything bizarre happens on stream. I can play this. Okay, he protects it, and I should, I can, I should go here, I guess. Or let's attack it even more. Or if he moves his king, then it will be a pin. That's not a good thing. I need to attack his queen somehow. Let's move it even. Let's, okay, I cannot move the king too. Okay, let's just double our rooks. Okay. Okay, so our knight is pinned, so this is our only option, I guess. Okay. So we win material here. We're back to winning ways. And then we could just do this. And now I guess he's losing. Oh, the queen was there. Damn it. So I can take back if because I didn't see it. I need to remove this square. I can push this pawn. It will get captured by the bishop. But if the bishop captures it, I can go away. So yeah, now everything looks okay. It's still there. My bishop is trapped now, so I'll have to sacrifice it. I'm losing to a, okay, let's block this. Shall we block? Yeah, looks like a good idea. Now he loses material, but this is I'm still losing. He has too much material. Okay, just let's finish it. Okay, he's losing again. Wait, that wasn't a good idea, right? Okay, it's a check. Ah man, I lost to a level 1 bot. Can you imagine? I lost to a depth 1 bot. Okay, it's a check. Yeah, it's a checkmate. Game is over. White is in checkmate. So yeah, that was it. Watch me get humiliated by Beta Zero at depth 1. My god, this is humiliating. Yeah, everything bad happens on stream. So yeah, that is it for me today. And yeah, hope you liked it. Bye bye.